I just asked him if he wanted to go outside. See how handsome you are? See how handsome Jonesy is? Are you handsome? You got a haircut. Yeah, you did. You wanna go outside? Do you wanna go outside? I'm coming. You wanna go outside? Alright. Let's go outside. I'm coming. I'm coming. Ouch. Wait, I'm putting on the wrong shoe. Ow! I'm putting on the wrong shoe. Hang on. You go outside? You go outside? You ready? Alright, go! Whee! And he didn't go very far. He goes into the bush right there to eat the grass. Oh, man. That door is so hard to close. There he is, the handsome boy eating grass. This is what he wants to go outside for. Come on, Jonesy. Oh God, I have to mow the lawn. It's been raining every day. There's the chicken coop where the chickens don't live anymore. And there's all the tree branches that I cut off the tree. Oh my gosh! Whee! He's gonna go poop now. That's his poop spot. Nope, he's peeing first. Jonesy loves going outside. It's his favorite. Jonesy, come here. Whoa! Jonesy, come here. Come here, Jones. Whee! He's doing the dance. There he goes. Right behind the bush. That's lovely. Now watch, I'm going to walk over here. He's still pooping. Come here, Jonesy! Good boy! Yay! Whee! Come here, Jones! Jonesy, come here! Jonesy, come here! Jonesy! Jonesy, come here!